Only available in April from Ward High Tech is the Mac Month Special. Buy now and pay nothing until 2023, Julian.
Absolutely, Lindsay. Look around us. We've got a number of stock machines available here and on site in Nuneaton. We've got some great deals available now.
Well, we are aware, of course, that there is a bit of a stock shortage, so that's fantastic for you to have. And also, you're taking someone's used machine as a deposit, so people don't have to find.
It's a great deal. You know, there's some really great opportunities to take advantage of some stock machines, and it's what it's all about, from Huachan, Dali, HNK, and even Vision Wide.
And this is only available in April. So why not upgrade your technology today, and you can get some fantastic machine tools in your machine shop from Ward High Tech.